She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jasmine here. The lighting is so good in this corner. I love it. I'm facing my window right now. I just wanted to start off another vlog. As I said in my last vlog, I've been trying to vlog a lot more. So today I'm just doing some filming and then I'm gonna go out with my just one friend. We're gonna go to Home Goods and stuff because I have to pick up some stuff, and she's redoing her room, so she's gonna pick up some stuff too. We might go out to eat, and then I'm probably just gonna do some stuff at my apartment. I just want to update you guys and do a little quick intro real quick. I'm about to film a Fashion Nova haul. I cleaned this area of my apartment because I kind of want to film it like outfit style. So yeah, and also my bed just has a bunch of squishmallows in my squishmallow corner. But the rest of my apartment is honestly decently clean. It's not bad, but I do have a bunch of stuff. Also, this is my outfit for the intro of the haul. These are from Fashion Nova. This is from Brandy. So yeah, I just want to do a quick intro. I'm watching Danielle Jordan right now. If you guys don't know who she is, I love her videos. She actually has around the same subscriber count as me, which is really crazy because I feel like she deserves like hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Her videos are so awesome, so you guys should definitely check her out. But yeah, I'm in my little apartment about to go film some Fashion Nova videos. I don't know what else to say. There's not much. I'm gonna go organize the clothes for the video now, and you guys will probably see me when I pick my outfit to go out or when I'm already out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I just finished filming my Fashion Nova haul. It literally took like 2 hours. I thought it was gonna take like an hour, but it took 2 hours. And I'm really tired right now, but I'm still gonna go out. This is my little outfit for today. I just want to show you guys my fit before I left. I'm gonna set up my camera maybe. Where can I set it up? Maybe I should put it on a tripod or something. Let me go get my tripod real quick and put it on and then show you guys my outfits. So yeah. This is the fit. I love it. I'm wearing my little bag I got from Depop. I'm wearing my Princess Polly top, my Princess Polly shorts, and then my Air Force Ones. So yeah, this is my outfit. Let me go change the angle a little bit more. And I have my hair in a bun because it is 6 o'clock, but it's still 91 degrees. And I'm not gonna deal with my hair in hot weather. I hate it. I have really long hair, so it's really annoying. But yeah, this is my outfit. And I'm gonna go pick up my friend now because she's been waiting for an hour and I'm an hour late. I'm so sorry. Deodorant. Oh my god, thank you. I just picked up my friend Josie. I love her. Hi. But yeah, we're gonna go to Home Goods. I just want to update you guys. She gave me some deodorant because I forgot, and it's 90 degrees. It's really hot. We're both wearing like tank top and shorts. It's too hot. It's so hot and it's like 6 o'clock. But we're gonna head to Home Goods now, and then we're probably gonna get food. I don't know if I'm gonna film it much in Home Goods because I'm scared I might get kicked out, but I'll try. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna put on this deodorant. We are now exiting Home Goods because it was kind of a fail. We were looking for frames and there's no frames. Do you want to walk across? No, I want to drive. Okay. I'm getting hit by a car. I gotta run. But yeah, we're exiting because we didn't find anything we liked. So I'll see you guys at Ross. We're now at Ross. Look at, you guys see me? We're now at Ross. It's actually around the corner, so it's not much of a drive. Oh wait, you guys can't see me. This light. I really want it. It's like $50. Should I get it? I don't know. But yeah. Wait. Very cute. Oh, it is a little bit dented though. Boo. Boo. We are in the glass section now looking for cups, but they don't have the cups that I have. So I'm gonna have to get a different one. And I think these are cute, but it comes in a pack of 8. And I don't need 8 cups. But they're really cute. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, this is cute, but like, do I need 8? I don't know. Yeah. Maybe I should go for the textured ones. Oh my god, I need to put this back. Here we go. I'm gonna show you guys the other ones. Give me a second.
Yeah, they have the weird line ones.
Yeah.
The texture ones are kind of fun.
I like this one. Look at it.
Classy.
But like, why is it like just one?
I guess so.
Oh, that's for $1. That's not bad.
Oh yeah.
I wish.
Do you like tall glasses or short?
I mean, like, these ones are not bad. I just know it's gonna be hard to clean. That's my only, like,
Shove your finger in it.
you know.
Oh, it's kind of weird.
Is it rigid?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be a little hard to clean. So yeah. We're at the sushi place now. It's really good. I'm gonna put my camera away now because people are eating. So yeah, I'm eating this and that's her roll. It's so good. So yeah, delish. I'll see you guys when I'm at home. So, yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jasmine here. It's now like 2 days later from the last clip you guys saw. I decided that I want to make this vlog like a summer vlog. I'm gonna be going out and doing some like fun things. Not anything too crazy. This is not going to be like an at-home vlog. I love my at-home vlogs, but I just want to make this one a fun summer one, as I said. Today, I'm going to be going out with my friends to Santana Row. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a really nice like outdoor mall. It's kind of like the Grove, but in like the Bay Area. But yeah, we're going to go out to eat, maybe get some drinks and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys a little apartment update because it's actually clean for once. Well, it's semi-clean. I like vacuumed everything. This is me, my pajamas. It's currently like 6 o'clock right now, but I'm in my apartment because it's like 100 degrees, like I'm not lying. So yeah, just chilling right now on my couch. I'm just watching YouTube videos. I'm actually watching Ruby Lynn. I love her videos. And I'm probably gonna get ready soon with my friend, and then we're gonna go eat, get some food. Oh, that's the same thing. Go shopping maybe. So yeah, I just want to update you guys a little bit because I didn't want to be confusing from going from one clip to the next clip. Wave. We're at Pizza Antica now. We're gonna go to Straits, but then there's a creep taking pictures of us. So now we're here.
Yeah,
so,
it's a little spooky over there.
It was an old man that looks like Groot from Despicable Me. So yeah, it was very disgusting and we got uncomfortable. So we're now at a different restaurant. So yeah.
They got the salt on the rib.
Wow. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. Hi. Hello, drunk. A little drunk. Don't drink unless you're over 21. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jasmine here. Honestly, I do not know what the last clip you guys saw was, but I literally haven't vlogged in like 3 days, 4 days. I honestly just needed a break because as you guys can see in the last clip, I was a little bit drunk. I honestly was a lot drunk. I am 22, so it's legal. Please don't like call the cops. Everyone thinks I'm 16, but I'm 22. I went out with my friends, and I think the last time I vlogged, I was in Santana Row or something. But after that, we literally went to bars, and it was just crazy. We ended up walking like 10 blocks home. It was just a lot, and I was so tired. And the day after, I was so hungover. And also the day after that, I was like taking care of my little brother, so I didn't want to vlog. Honestly, that night was kind of crazy. I have like a little story time for you guys. It involves like a group of like 15 guys following us and chasing us. So if you guys want to hear that, I'll probably tell you guys about that in the end of this video. Honestly, it was quite terrifying. It was my first time going to bars since like the pandemic happened, because I turned 21 the December before the pandemic. So like I only had like 2 to 3 months of like actually being like 21 and going to bars. So this is my first time really experiencing it, and honestly, I don't know if I like it. Honestly, it was terrifying. It was fun, but the men there were kind of gross. Anyways, other than that, you guys will hear that later. I'm currently unboxing stuff for a haul. I'm setting this up right now so I could film a TikTok or not a TikTok, an Instagram story. This is all from yesstyle, so shout out to them. I love them. This is so nice. Oh my god. I'm gonna unbox this now. I might do that on camera. I'm gonna set my camera up and like unbox all of this now. I might do a mini haul for you guys, but a full try on haul will probably come out before or after this video. If it comes out before this video, I'll link down below. But yeah, I'm so excited about it. I love you doing yesstyle hauls. I work with them like every month or so, and they always have the cutest, trendiest clothes. Like, do you guys see these prints? I am in love.
Might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day.
Hey guys, what's up? It's now a couple hours later. I've just been doing a lot of computer work. I was editing my thumbnail for the video I had to post today, and also I was still waiting for approval, so I was just working on that and just like emailing companies and stuff. Also, I ate some food. I ate my leftover like garlic shrimp because I ordered some more yesterday, and I made an egg to eat with that. And yeah, I'm just wanted to update you guys. I don't know if I'm still gonna go out with my friends tonight. One of my friends is still stuck at work, so maybe it's iffy. I might not, I might. Well, you guys will see eventually. I just want to show you guys my thumbnail that I made for this haul because I kind of edited it a bit different than my normal thumbnails, and I'm honestly really into it. I might start editing my thumbnails like this. But yeah, this is in my email, by the way. This is it. I emailed it to myself because that's how like I upload my thumbnails. I'm gonna turn the brightness down so you guys can see it. Ooh. But yeah, this is the thumbnail. It's literally so cute. I did cutouts of myself and just added my outfits, and I think it's really fun. I hope it does well. Sometimes I end up doing something new with my thumbnails and it ends up like messing up the video and no one really watches it because they're confused because it's like a different thumbnail. But sometimes when I change up my thumbnails, a lot of people like it. So who knows how it's gonna go. This haul I just uploaded was a Hot Girl Summer Fashion Nova haul. I thought it was really fun because I bought a lot of stuff that normally look really good on like curvy girls, and as you guys know, I have like a more stick skinny body type. So I wanted to show you guys what these outfits look like on like a stick body instead of those like Fashion Nova like Kylie Kardashian body types, you know. I think those bodies are really nice. I would love to have that body, but I have the body that I have, so I'm gonna try and embrace it. I want to start doing more of these like skinny girl hauls. I know honestly every single website caters towards skinny girls though, so it's not going to be that much of a series because most models are skinny. But I think for Fashion Nova it's fun to see what the clothing looks like. I'm just going on a tangent right now, I'm so sorry. And also I'm kind of like stuffy right now, sorry if I sound weird. But as I said, whenever I order from Fashion Nova, I just know I'm not going to look like the model because their models have like, they're beautiful, and their body type is not like mine, so the outfit's gonna look totally different. And because sometimes it's hard because I order stuff from Fashion Nova that I think will look good because it looks so good on the model, but on my body type it just looks funky, so I wanted to test it out for you guys. I feel like I'm repeating myself right now. I feel like this could be a different conversation for later as well. If you guys want me to do more chit chat talking videos, definitely let me know. I'm just sitting on my couch, but my apartment's a huge mess, not gonna lie. It's already dark outside, and I think I might end off this video soon, probably after I go out to eat, if I go out to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this part of the vlog now because I've been talking for like 5 minutes. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? It's now a couple days later. It's actually like a week later. I'm currently editing the video you guys just watched, and I realized that I never made an outro, so I'm doing that now. I know this vlog was a little bit different than my other vlogs. It was also a lot shorter than my other vlogs, but I really hope you guys like it regardless. I've been trying to feel more comfortable going out and vlogging in public, even though that's kind of weird, but I feel like you guys would like seeing that, so I'm gonna try to do that more. But also, if you guys miss my at-home chill vlogs, don't worry, I'm still doing them. I'm actually filming one this week, so you guys will probably see that soon. I did like a lot of cleaning in that. You guys always love that, so I'm probably gonna post that. But yeah, I'm gonna end off this video now. I hope you guys liked the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.